Back to this video course where we will cover on how to advertise on Pinterest. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create amazing pins for your promoted pin, create a campaign to promote that pin. You can create campaigns for different seasonal moments, product lines, or to promote the same pin with different audience targeting. To do that, go to your business homepage, move your cursor over the plus button, and click on the Create Ad button. Then you'll land on a page that asks you to pick your country and currency. One thing you need to take note of is that promoted pins are only available in the US, the UK, and Canada. This means that you're not able to execute a promoted pin if you're outside of these countries. Select your country to proceed. Choose a campaign goal that suits your objectives. Next, name your campaign and start promoting. To take it one step further, create an amazing pin for your promoted pin. Here's how. First, you need to take note of the image quality that's uploaded. Choose one with high resolution and a good composition together with your product. You can use a photo editor to insert text overlay to deliver the message. Next is to add a clear and informative description to your promoted pin. A good description creates engagement and curiosity for people to click on it. One thing you need to take note of is that only indirect calls to action are allowed on Pinterest. For example, images that contain actual buy now buttons will not be approved. Also, your promoted pin should not contain sales and promotional messages such as 10% off or 5 for $15. To spark your inspiration, here are some examples. The pin on the left communicates a clear message in the form of a desired end result. In this case, it's how $3 brought 50,000 page views in just 3 days. It's a massive result for a small investment of $3. This raises curiosity for the readers to click on the pin to find out more. Another pin that has a high rate of sharing is pins that have ranks or organized information such as this one on the right. You can insert in your product lines as one of the top 20, thus creating additional potential sales. Apart from a beautiful image, a good promoted pin also has a clear text overlay on the image to give more details at a glance. In short, don't be afraid of being creative and leveraging off the Pinterest community to grow your business. The audiences on Pinterest normally review and refer to their saved pins from time to time, especially when they're useful or add value or solve a problem in their daily life. Remember that as you're crafting your marketing campaign on Pinterest.